Hello everyone, this is Lucas from Landpack in China, which is a manufacturer with over 16 years experience in customizing and producing the packing and filling line machines. Now let me show you one of the workshop in our company producing the filling line machines. And totally we have 6 workshops like this. And as you can see, there are so many machines and all of them are other machines, not the storage machine. Now let me show you around. Hi Jennifer.
Hi, Lucas.
How's everything going?
Yeah, it's very good. You can see this machine line we are processing now, and this machine is customized for our customer in Saudi Arabia. And this machine line is suitable for the detergent and the liquid detergent and shampoo filling.
That's great. But this filling line machine looks so unique. Can you give us a brief introduction about it?
Yeah, sure. You can see this machine line is consists of the second-hand bottle filling and the labeling machine and the bottle capping machine platform. This bottle filling machine is with the second-hand bottle filling, and each filling hand is with the servo motor to control the filling nozzle to moving. This machine is very faster to fill the 100 milliliter to 5 liters liquid filling. Liquid run 60 bottles to 80 bottles per minute. And this machine is with the sensor system in here. The sensor will identify the position of the bottle coming and record the bottle where is the bottle and send the signal to the PLC system. And each filling nozzle is with the holder to hold the bottle. It will find the bottle where it is and then hold it to filling. And more importantly, it will check in the bottle to moving and then filling. So that's why the speed is very faster. No bottle, no filling. And it's very easy for the operators to use this machine because you just need to change the filling capacity in here, neither 100 liter and maybe 1 liter in here. It's very easy for the beginner to operate this machine. No matter the square bottle and the long bottle and the softer and higher bottle, it is okay, no problem for this machine line to filling.
Wow, Jennifer, you are so professional. One more question. May we know why are the conveyor line between these two machines so long?
Okay, this is our customer requirement because our customer have a different bottle size and shape, and also the cap is a very special. So he would like to let the workers to put the cap on the bottle. It's more better and more faster. So our machine line is suitable for the different bottle filling. Okay, let's look for this machine. This is our labeling machine, also suitable for the square bottle and round bottle. This is the longer bottle. It is also very easy to operate and adjust it. And this is a long bottle. It is also suitable for this label machine to stick the label on the bottle directly. Okay, let's ask to start this machine and see this machine how to run it.
Okay, Jennifer, thanks for your time. And this filling line machine is so nice. Thanks, Jennifer, for the detailed introduction.
Yes, I also believe you also have a strong interest on this machine line. You could contact us by follow link, and our sales managers will support you online 24 hours. Bye.
Okay, bye.